Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to convert data from Excel to PDF. Let's get started. Open an Excel, add some data. Like this, I have added some data here. Then click on File in the top left corner. Select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the PDF. In the Save type, you can see here Save As type. Select as PDF. Give a name. Click Save to convert your Excel file to PDF. Okay, so it's converted Excel to PDF. You can see the values, name, serial numbers. Now let's see how to import this PDF into your Excel. How to import your PDF data into your Excel. Select another sheet, then go to data, click on get data, go to the from file, and from the drop down select from PDF. Select the destination, import the file. Click on import. Select the page, click on load. Your data is here. So guys, these skills are valuable not just in your professional life but also in your academics and personal projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos, please leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.